Hey folks, today I'm going to try a new effect, one I've never used before, but it should be pretty straightforward. It is the crop effect for Adobe Premiere Pro. And what I want to do is I want to have two pieces of footage playing simultaneously, one on one side of the screen, one on the other side of the screen. So without any ado, because I haven't even tried this yet, let's go ahead and jump in. So I'm over here in Premiere Pro, and in a previous video, I talked about how to use Warp Stabilizer to make something nice and smooth. We have our after here, nice and smooth and so forth. This is for shooting B-roll. But then we have our without Warp Stabilizer. And as you notice, that's kind of shaky and so forth. Well, I kind of thought it would be cool if I could have both pieces of footage playing side by side, just cropped slightly, so that there could be a really good juxtaposition of the two pieces of footage. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come over here. I'll first select this one, and I'm going to come up and find the crop effect. There we go. I'll drag it over here, and I will drag it over here. All right, so that should allow me to crop. I'll select this first one, and I'm going to come over here, and we know that Warp Stabilizer was there because I used it earlier, but now here's this crop. Okay, well, I want this over on the left side, I suppose. Actually, we'll call it the before and after. So I'm going to go on like this. So this will be the before, and so I want it on the left. So I'm going to go ahead and find crop, and let's see, do I do it from the left here? No, okay. So I'm going to hit undo. We're going to do it from the right, and we're going to put it at 50%. 50%, okay? And then we have this piece of footage, and I'll crop it from the left at 50%. Okay. All right. Then how do we get them to go side by side? Well, I'm going to put one over the other. And now check this out. On the left side, we should have the before. On the right side, we should have the after, which means if I did this right, the left side will be a little shaky and the right side will be smoother. So let's see how it looks. Hey, look at that. You can really see how Warp Stabilizer smoothed out the footage from how it was in the beginning. So that's not a bad little trick if you want to do a side-by-side. By the way, this is how people do the whole two people in one room thing, right? Heck, I could do it right. Gosh, maybe I'll do it later just to try it, right? As I could get up and say, come over here and say, here I am talking over here, and then yeah, here I am talking over here. I have no idea if that'll work, but we'll try it. All right. Hey, thanks for joining me, and we'll talk again soon. Here I am talking over here, and then